Hello researchers, we are the GreenLeafs. In this video, we will show the conclusions we reached in our work on the influence of different lights with different wavelengths on the rate of photosynthesis in an aquatic plant called Elodea. Firstly, what is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a physical and chemical process in a cellular level that is performed by autotrophic beings. They use carbon dioxide, water, and minerals to obtain organic compounds, like glucose, through solar energy. During this process, oxygen is produced. After performing the experiment, we noticed that, in fact, different types of lights influence differently the photosynthesis. We have used three kinds of lights: blue, green, and white, and the absence of light. In obscurity, we observed that the water-oxygen levels declined, so the plant performed cell respiration, which consists in turning oxygen into carbon dioxide. Under white light, the photosynthesis happened, as we were expecting. The Elodea, under the influence of the blue light, continued to do the photosynthesis. However, the plant has not produced as much oxygen as under the white light. Finally, the results of the green light were the most amazing ones. Actually, plants do not perform photosynthesis when influenced by this type of light, only performing cellular respiration. But why did this happen? The truth is that plants contain photosynthetic pigments. The most important one is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is found in chloroplasts that are scattered around the plant cell. By lightening the pigments with green light, luminal absorption doesn't happen. There is a kind of relationship between the absorption spectrum of photosynthetic pigments and the action spectrum of photosynthesis. This relationship demonstrates that the absorbed light is directly proportional to the rate of photosynthesis. The graph shows that when the plant is lighted by the blue light, the quantity of oxygen that is produced is pretty high. This happens because the chlorophyll, during the photosynthesis, absorbs violet, blue and red lights, reflecting the green one. The wavelength of the blue light corresponds to a quite high rate of absorbed light. Under the green light, the rate of light absorbed is practically zero, so the plant reflects this wavelength, which is why plants are green. The white light includes all wavelengths, so it has a large light absorption rate, in contrast to the absence of light where the absorption does not occur. The future is ours, so be researchers today!